Here we have the Summit, lot 170, 20 by 80 engine lathe. There's a 3-jaw chuck, an Aloris quick change tool post, some tool changers, 12-speed geared head up to 1500 RPM, and a large hole through, 4 1/8 hole through the spindle. Steady rest, follow rest, 4-jaw chuck, tailstock, manuals. It also has a full taper attachment. We'll see how I engage this. What did I do last time? Here? Alright, engaging the feed for the carriage. Alright. Must be. And there's the carriage and compound. Here's the carriage. The last one was a compound. What am I saying? And that's the Summit lathe.